Welcome back to the Audacious Money Witch channel, where we talk about the magic behind the stock market.
I think I'm right. I think I'm right on Nike. Time will tell, right?
Very in-depth Nike video. This is a video that I can't wait to watch this back. I cannot freaking wait to watch this back.
Nike. NKE Nike, okay? I bought 50 shares as a starter position here. $5,400, first time I ever owned Nike in my life. They put up their numbers, they do their thing, phenomenal company.
Look, they say time is money, but they forgot the math. Being early to the party just means you're walking a painful path. I don't do guesses, I don't do FOMO, I don't do fairy tales, I wait for the moon to actually hit the room. Jeremy, the millionaire, pull up a chair, let's talk about that $100,000 nightmare.
I don't think I'm wrong on Nike. Down $104,000 on Nike stock.
Yo, listen close. I'm the strategist, the prophetess of profit. If the trend is moving south, why are you trying to go and stop it?
S&P 500 59% over the past 5 years. This stock is down 67%.
Just do it. Nike, easy money. Oh, is Nike going to be easy money over this next 5 years? So, Nike, excuse me, Nike.
I think I'm going to be right on Nike. This stock's now 67% in the past 5 years. It's Mr. Hated, and it is Nike. Why do I want to buy more Nike? Because I like pain. I'm much like pain, you know?
Too early is just wrong, and that's the pillar, that's the thesis. You bought the dip at 100, now your portfolio's in pieces. 104K? That's a heavy price for schooling.
Nike, that's a $158,000 position in public count. I think within 24 months, it's a $400,000 plus position. I truly believe that.
Well, you're easy money dreaming, the macros out here dueling. You saw a steal deal, I saw a sinking ship. You called it a discount, I called it a permanent slip.
Nike's got one of the strongest brands in the world, right?
I don't think I'm wrong on Nike. Nike stock is down about 6 percentage points after our numbers. Bad. Just bad across the board.
Financial education? Well, let me give you a lesson. Catching falling knives is just a recipe for stressing.
Situation when it comes to comp profile for 2025 and 2026, right? So everything's kind of playing out here exactly how I want it to play out, and this is why I'll just be buying every share. It's like you're going to have the excitement of the new CEO coming in. That's going to be very exciting for 2025 and beyond, right? I don't think I'm wrong on Nike. So you're going to see the revenue start to come back in 25, 26, and then you're going to see margins expanding simultaneously and the earnings per share going to the moon over the next couple of years. And so it's going to be very exciting. I think it's going to be a very exciting time to be a Nike shareholder. 2025 and 2026 specific. Obviously, Nike stock has absolutely crashed. Right now, it is back to 2018 pricing. Woo. Wow, that's pretty shocking there. So the guide, not good, not exciting at all, right? That's pretty clear in regards to that. Get all doomsday or do whatever they want to do. I'm going to be making a whole bunch of money over the next few years in that one. I don't think I'm wrong on Nike.
Nike is now, at this point in time, I'm going to officially coin it an easy money stock. Buying Nike very aggressively, including today I put $19,000 plus into Nike stock. Now, best case scenario I see for Nike come 2027 is they do $12 of earnings per share for the overall year, right? Remember, this awful quarter, they just did 78 cents in a quarter, right? So if you extrapolate that out, you're at like, $3 and some change, right? $12 EPS is best case scenario for 2027, 25 PE on it, that puts the stock price at $300 stock.
I don't think I'm wrong on Nike.
You predicted 300 based on what? A magic 8-ball? The technicals were screaming, wait for the great fall. Being early isn't genius, baby. Early is just wrong.
Why I believe Nike stock's so easy money. I believe there's a 90% probability that Nike stock will 2x or more by the end of 2027.
What my big boy buy was here today. King Mr. Hated. Nike. I bought 1,000 shares of Nike. That's what we call a big boy buy. That is a conviction buy right there. Woo. $45,000 in a day. Ladies and gentlemen, that's me basically screaming this stock is a ridiculous steal deal. That's what I feel with Nike right now. I'm like, this is just dumb. Like, I don't know what, like $40 for Nike? Like, it doesn't mean it can't go to 30, right?
Your impulse buying, that 45K dip? Well, I'm writing a new song. Nike's out of breath, yeah, swoosh, is losing pace. I don't bet on has-been, I bet on the winning race.
That forward P wise, let's call it 22-ish for Nike right now. 2-year out forward P, which I think is a very important metric, at about 16.5. No, those are probably too high in numbers. It's probably lower than that in my personal opinion.
Check the PE, check the chart, check the China floor. If it ain't a winning trend, I'm walking out the door. Just do it? Nah, just wait.
So like Nike symbol, just do it. That's me with Nike stock right now. This is one of those, it's very easy for me to buy the stock week in and week out.
Now let's talk about the East, where the Dragon's losing fire. 7 quarters of decline, that's a situation dire. Anta's in the streets. Li Ning's got the price point, while Nike's shipping less just to try and save the joint. Elliott Hill came back for 18 months. Nike's still not competitive. Win Now is moving slow. He's gonna need a sedative. Revenue down 4% Q4, China down 20. In a world of fierce rivals, Nike's losing plenty.
I don't think I'm wrong on Nike.
It's a mature value stock. Don't call it growth. That's a lie. Even beating street numbers 3 years straight cannot make the ticker fly. When the macro's in the gutter and the oil prices are climbing, your fundamental bull case is just poor quality timing. Look at the E and PE. The earnings are eroding. From 1.5 billion to 500 million, the bomb is exploding. The money machine is degraded. Your consumer's out of cash. $5 gas means the middle class is feeling the smash.
The absolute worst case scenario I see for Nike in the short term here is the stock goes to like $50 to $55. And that's the absolute worst case scenario. I don't think I'm wrong on Nike.
You're paying 29 times for earnings that are stalling. That's not a cheap multiple, that's a legacy that's falling. On a price to sales, sure, it looks like an improved view, but 1.4x sales doesn't mean a thing if the growth isn't true. Value trap, a long nap, call it what you want. I see the ghost of 2014 starting to haunt. Broken support since 2015, that's a decade of pain. Why are you trying to plant seeds in a drought with no rain? Uncertainty is poison for a stock that's in the gray. I shop at the Nike store, but I don't see the play.
Could I see the stock going in the 40s? I can't. Not even in a market crash scenario can I see the stock going in the 40s. Like, this is pretty shocking already here. I don't think I'm wrong on Nike.
The traffic is zero in China. The storytelling is old. I don't buy the bronze when I'm looking for the gold. Wait for 40? Maybe, but I'm waiting for the win. Until the trend flips, I ain't letting them in.
You gotta put your chips on the table, right?
Stick to the winners, stick to the uptrend. Stop making the losers average down. Your only friend. I want the breakout retested. I want the bull market roar. I don't want dead money knocking at my counting room door. Jeremy said he'd never see the $40 range. Well, welcome to the real world. Isn't it strange?
Now, in terms of upside, what do I see for potential upside here? So in 3 years, this is my base case for the stock. Base case, 3 years from now, I see the company doing $10 billion of net income.
10 billion net income, a $12 EPS, that's not an analysis. That's just a hopeful guess. Hope is not a strategy. Your 1000x projection, whoa. There's no confirmed bottom, just a new low blow. I see the vision clearly. I let the downtrend go. The street is staying quiet until May 27, while you're praying for a miracle to fall down from heaven.
Let's be very clear what's just transpired with this stock. This is a dropout bottom situation. A dropout bottom situation in regards to stock is when you have a stock that has already been faltering, it's already crashed, and then it has some sort of last kind of hurrah, like next big crash. Like, how did that stock even crash again like that, right? That's Nike stock today. Down another 20% after the stock's already been in a horrible place.
So keep your easy money, I'll keep my actual wealth. I prioritize my portfolio's psychological health. Nike's in the penalty box, the whistle has been blown, and I'm the queen of the crude, sitting on liquid gold. Subscribe for the truth, I don't sugarcoat the pill. I develop my big picture vision and earn my goodwill. Swoosh. Peace out, I'm gone.